Okay, hello guys. I did a weekly recap on good on that should be on Sunday, and I was anticipating good should come down a little bit, activate this zone at the bottom before going up. There was a buy zone I set on this place before a buy limit, but when I noticed when the market opened, it went up. There was a sell position here, so I was expecting it. If it touched the sell position, it come down a little bit before it goes up. So gold come here. You see the sell position. There was a rejection at that area, so I think it okay. Gold is ready to come down, but unfortunately, gold broke that zone. So immediately gold broke that zone. We have what we call a support that turns resistance. Once gold broke the zone, I bought the target the next high, which is this line at the top. Now this zone, the reason why I didn't take my TP at that zone because gold was entering into the zone with full momentum, so there's high probability of gold breaking the zone. Even my other zone, I'm even thinking of increasing my TP because when I've tracked it back and there's no key zone there that will hold price. There's no strong zone there to hold price. So I'm expecting for gold to go further up. Maybe perhaps let's check the daily zone. Let's see from the daily perspective. Expecting for gold, maybe gold might create a new high. I think gold is on its way to create a new higher highs from the daily perspective because the zones that is available there can't hold price. There's not any key zone at that particular place. For those trade, I'll just keep on holding this trade. This TP region will be extended because looking at it, I know gold won't respect that zone. I think this should be it. This should be the trade on gold. Yeah, the first, I think it's up about $28.70. I think the first one was a loss. This is the first trade. Each trade I take a risk of like $10 per trade. So if the next trade happen to go where that's my minimum risk to reward is 3 RR. So like this trade now, I think this trade is up about 3 RR already. But I'm thinking of adjusting the TP because to me I feel gold is going to break that zone. I also have another safety line when trading. I have additional safety line when trading. That's my trend line confirmation. I can draw a trend line this way. Once gold breaks that trend line, it will be my exit. I think okay, this should be the way I drew the trend. I draw that trend line from this zone. There's a mistake while drawing this trend line. I have an extended angle this way from this zone to this zone. But this zone is a bit too higher, so I'll find a zone that is closer for my trend line. So once that trend line, we'll just use this zone. I think gold doesn't create any deep retracement to get my zone from. There's also a mistake. Sorry for that one. No. Okay, extended line. We have a zone this way. So once gold breaks this trend line, is another exit option that I normally use. But looking at gold currently, that's just the place I set my TP. But with the momentum, gold is going to break it because gold is moving with momentum. Momentum is so fast. Momentum is so fast. Almost hitting my TP. Almost. Okay. We are getting a rejection. Now we have a zone. We have this zone currently. This zone. So if this zone failed to hold, it will be our exit. If this zone failed to hold, or if this zone still hold and push price